Hi friends, for all mathematics concepts, please subscribe and click bell icon here. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murali Maths class. Murali Maths class. So today we'll learn how to solve this trigonometry. Trigonometry exercise 6.2. Trigonometry exercise 6.2, sixth problem. First we'll write what they gave. The top of a 15-meter high tower. The top of a 15-meter high tower makes an angle of elevation of 60 degrees with the bottom of an electric pole and angle of elevation of 30 degrees with the top of the pole. What is the height of the electric pole? So this is the problem they gave. First read this problem carefully and draw the diagram. Solution we'll see how to solve. First we have to read the problem. The top of 15-meter high tower. So one tower is there. He's saying one tower is there. One tower. Let us draw the ground here. This is the ground. Tower 15 meters height. Okay. The top of 15-meter high tower makes an angle of elevation of 60 degrees with the bottom of electric pole. So here one electric pole is there. Electric pole. This is electric pole. Okay. Now this tower is making angle of elevation 60 degrees with the bottom of electric pole. Top of tower and bottom of electric pole, both you have to join. So this angle is given as 60 degrees. Next, 60 degrees completed with the bottom of electric pole. Okay, and angle of elevation of 30 degrees with the top of the pole. Angle of elevation of 30 degrees with the top of the pole. Top of the pole means this one. So with this top of the pole, it is making how much angle? 30 degrees. For that, what we have to draw? For this ground, one parallel line you draw. So this will be 30 degrees. So that is a way of representing diagram. Okay. This tower, bottom of the pole making 60 degrees angle of elevation, and the same tower with the top of electric pole, it is making 30 degrees angle of elevation. That is the diagram. Okay. Yes. Now let us mark some lengths here. height of electric pole, let us take h. If it is h, this is also h only. And if it is h, this part will be total is 15. Observe this. This total is 15. This total is 15. Then this is h. Then what will be this length? This length will be 15 minus h. Okay. This total length is given as 15 meters. Total length 15. This is 15 minus h. This is h. Okay. Now we will take triangles. Name the triangles A, B, C, D, E. And this length we don't know, let us mark x. If it is x, this is also x only. Now take some triangles. Triangle AED. If I take triangle AED, we can apply tan 60. Tan 60 equals to 60 opposite side. This is the opposite side. Opposite side. This is the opposite side. AD. Adjacent ED. Okay. AD means what? That is height of tower. Height of tower. Height of tower is 15. ED we don't know x. Here tan 60 we know, that is tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 equals to 15 by x. The next answer, x is equals to 15 divided by root 3. That is x answer. How we got this? Just interchanging this root 3 in the place of x, x in the place of root 3. That's all. Okay. Next, take one more triangle now. Why? Because we have one more angle here. So for that, what triangle we have to take? Triangle A B C. A B C. A B C. The triangle you take. If I take the triangle, we can apply tan 30. Tan 30 degrees equals to, formula is what? 30 degrees here. Opposite AC divided by adjacent BC. AC means what? Only this length. AC. From here to here. AC. What is that length? 15 minus h. Divided by BC. X. What about tan 30? Tan 30 answer is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equals to 15 minus h by x. Do cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. You will get what you will get if you do cross multiplication. X is equals to root 3 into 15 minus h. X answer we know, just now we got here 15 by root 3. Substitute here 15 by root 3 equals to root 3 into 15 minus h. Next, root 3, take it on right hand side, multiplication. So 15 equals to root 3 into root 3 into 15 minus h. Then 15 equals to root 3 whole square into 15 minus h. Okay. Yes. square root cancel. 15 equals to 3 into 15 minus h. We can cancel this both. 1 time, 5 times. So 5 equals to 15 minus h. Now h you take it on right hand side, left hand side. 5 take it on right hand side. You will get h is equals to 15 minus 5, 10. So finally we can write therefore height of electric pole equals to, how much we got? 10 meters. That's all. So just go through this problem. So this is total problem. Diagram is very important. From the diagram we have two angles. So one triangle I took here, I got x answer. Second triangle, this one, we got some h answer from that. Okay, that's it. Thank you.